How to fix Google search results change or disappear after a second. So if you simply search for anything and if it disappears after a second, or if you're facing the glitch problem on your Google, then what you can do is simply check your internet connection. So if you don't have a stable internet connection, then you might find the lagging or glitch problem on your Google. But if it's not the internet connection, then you can go for the upper right, which has that three dots icon. Now you can simply go for settings. And under your settings, here you will have your extensions on the left side. Click on extensions. And under your extensions, if you have turned on any VPN services, then you need to turn that off. And once you turn off your VPN services on your Chrome browser, you can again go back to the three dots, which is on the upper right, and go for history. And under that, you can again go for history. And here you will have your history, right? So you need to simply go for the left side and go for clear browsing data. And then you need to only choose your browsing history. Once you choose your browsing history, now click on clear data and you need to clear your browsing data. And once you clear your browsing data, now you need to restart your device. And after restarting your PC or your laptop, now you can go back to your Google and then you can search for something. And then your problem will be fixed. So that's it. That's how you fix your problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.